Namaskar, my dear compassionate friends around the world. Behind me, you can see the land site of the proposed school building site. So, warm greetings to all compassionate friends and well wishers. Today, we are standing here at Tuisong village in the Lungle district of Mizoram, India. This land you see in front of me is the proposed site for our future school, which Global Compassion Foundation dreams to establish for underprivileged minority Chakma children. Tuisong is a very remote hill village. Most families here live below the poverty line. Parents depend on daily wage work, small farming or seasonal labor. The children are bright and eager to learn, but poverty, distance, and lack of proper educational facilities limit their opportunities. Education for children is not a luxury, it is their only hope. As a group of simple ground-level social workers and Dhamma practitioners, we formed Global Compassion Foundation with one sincere vision. No child should be denied education because of poverty or geography. This school is not just a building, it is a safe place to learn, a pathway to a better future, and a symbol of dignity and equality for Chakma children. However, friends, we also want to honestly share the ground reality. Since Mizoram is a hilly region, the land here is uneven and sloped before any construction can begin. The site must be properly leveled. This requires JCB and earth-moving work, cutting and leveling the hill surface and making the land safe and suitable for classroom and children. This initial land development is one of our first and biggest challenges, but it is also the first step toward turning this dream into reality. Our plan includes land leveling and site preparation using JCB, safe and strong infrastructure, classroom with basic furnitures, school building, hostel building, book learning materials, and a healthy learning environment. Support for teachers and daily school needs. Friends, this vision cannot be achieved alone. My dear friends, our humble request to donors and kind-hearted supporters. Standing here today, we request your compassionate support to help us begin this work. Your contribution, whether small or large, will directly help in leveling this hill and preparing a safe foundation, building a school for children who have none. So, every support you extend is not just financial help, it is hope for a child. It is a light for a forgotten community. It is merit born from compassion. We assure you that our team, Global Compassion Foundation, will use every contribution with honesty, transparency, and accountability. This school will always serve the poorest and most neglected children of this region. So, on behalf of the children of Tuisong village, dear parents and our team, we fold our hands and request you to stand with us in this noble cause. May this empty hill land you can see in front of me soon become a place filled with children's laughter, learning, and hope. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your kindness. May you be blessed with peace and happiness. So, Namo Buddhaya. May all living beings be happy, be free from all kind of suffering. Our team only wish is to have this school. You can see behind me the hilly region here in Mizoram, but need to develop this land. If we can develop this land, it would be one of the best educational institution here in this region. Thank you everyone.